Hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? Yeah, on this video I don't want to take much of your time. I'll just go straight to the point, and I appreciate every minute you spend on this channel. So after watching, please kindly subscribe and watch and like the video. Sorry. So on this video we're gonna be discussing about how to get your first sale on Fiverr and then a good rating in your Fiverr account. Probably a new account, you're running a Fiverr new account, or an existing account already, but I'll just advise you to make use of a new account, probably 2020 or 2021 account. That would be perfect. So yeah, I said there are many ways to get first sales or first order and a good rating, because it all depends on your communication and skill. Sorry. So yeah, I said make sure you optimize your gig properly. If your gig rank, then it will be easy to get your first sale. Of course, if you take your time, like for instance now, I used to take like 2 hours to set up an account, to set up a gig. I spent 2 hours to set up a gig. So I take my time to do keyword, gig title research, gig tags, description, and gig image as well. So I take most of my time to design this and make sure everything was in perfect. So that's that. And also make use of buyer requests. Getting the first order is very easy if you know how to write effective buyer request messages. Make sure your message is based on what buyers need. So you need to make sure you read the requirement before you send any message to a buyer. So because most buyers are mostly reading your request, they don't just message you directly. They will read what you are offering. Maybe you will read their request, so before they kind of like send a message to you. So take your time to understand the buyer request, and then before you send a message. So yeah, I said find direct buyers related to your niche, which helps to get your first order. If you know how to search on social media, then it will be easy for you to find direct buyers. Most times I make use of Facebook groups, Facebook page, and WhatsApp groups. So I have made different video on how you can promote your gigs on Facebook, so you can check on my videos and definitely you'll see how you can do it. So that's that. And here I said ask your friends and family if they need any work related to what you can do. Complete their work on Fiverr and get the first order, which helps to rank the gigs. Offer them low prices because they are your friends and you really need them to grow, not their money. Offer a low price whereby they're kind of like happy. Like sometimes they'll be thinking that maybe they cheat you or they scam you based on the price you're offering, but of course you understand the fact that you are just trying to work for them so that you'll be able to rank your gig and then get a good rating. So I advise you like charging a $5 or $10 depending on the niche you are offering. So I think that's not bad, and just it's worth to get a review or a feedback on your gig, because those are the things that buyers will definitely see before they message you, and they will know from there how quality your service is. So I just believe this video help you. So thank you for watching, and I promise you to offer more quality content regarding Fiverr and all other stuffs, because some people used to make a comment that I make videos about Fiverr alone, but I'm not making a video regarding other stuffs. But of course I'm coming back to that, and I'll make sure everything are imperfect. Thank you for watching.